The first scanner came into the world in 1984. Since then, the scanning technology updates very slowly. In a highly developed smart office today, people still have to use the traditional scanner, which is not user-friendly or efficient enough. We want to make a change. This is the CZUR scanner, a redefined smart office equipment. It is fast, able to store data in the cloud, and it can easily scan books. To improve the scanning speed to less than 1.5 seconds per page, CZUR innovatively uses the CMOS scanning technology and equipped with 32-bit MIPS CPU to transfer the information easily and omit the complicated procedures of installing driver. CZUR Cloud enables automatic cloud processing and storage. To achieve the goal of scanning bounded books, CZUR is equipped with the advanced smart algorithms, which can flatten curve, remove fingerprint, purify background, and split pages automatically. In addition, with Sony HD camera, CZUR can guarantee the high quality of scanning. With embedded OCR function, CZUR can make image editable with one click. With the innovative visual presenter function, CZUR can output 1080 video at 30 frames per second. CZUR is a smart scanner based on cloud computing and IoT technology. No matter where you are, in office or at home, no matter what they are, financial invoices, business contracts, or private collection books, CZUR can always help you scan easily and efficiently.